Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video, and in this video I will show you the second part of the creation of the menu, the option part of the menu. So the first thing is to make the volume slider. To make it work, it was very simple. It's just changing a parameter on the actual audio mixer. So I choose the audio mixer and I change the volume master parameter to the actual volume. And I also create the back script that is just activating and deactivating the main and the option, the game object, to change the menu. The next things to do is to text obviously the menu. That doesn't work. Why it is? Because I didn't drop the menu in the box, in the reference. So now it works just fine, and I'm very happy with it. The back obviously work and we test it. The last is the quality. That we can see we have 6 level of quality, so we need the 6th level to change. And the resolution is also pretty simple. It's a little bit more complicated than the others, but it's very simple. So what we do is to have an array of resolution and to put in the drop down menu all the different resolution possible that the game could support. So we start an int with all the possible resolution, and we select the string. We create a string where we write the resolution width and height. Then we add the actual resolution that we are in to a list of the different options. When the list is finished, we can put all this list in the drop down menu, yeah, and it will just work. It's very easy. And we change the resolution by choosing the resolution index by choosing the different item in the drop down menu. So this is very simple. In the next video we will see how the font changing and how to make this actually looks good.